guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could download and install the Twitter application into your Windows computer. If you have Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11 or even 12, then this video is for you. First of all, just make sure that you're connected to the internet. Go to your search bar and type Microsoft Store and click on the application to open. You will need to wait until it's loaded. The next step, click on the Search Apps section and type Twitter and just hit enter. All the apps available will load, so we want the first one. Just click on it. We are prompted to we are redirected to the application page. So as you can see here, Twitter Inc. This is the application. Just click on install. Then the download and installation process will start automatically. Once done, we will see the option open. We will click on it and we'll be able to log in. I will just pause the video here until it's completely downloaded and installed, and we will take back and show you the further steps. Now the application has been completely downloaded and installed. We'll just click open. And now we'll be prompted to log in. We will select pin to taskbar and pin to start so that you can see it in the menu here in the taskbar so that you can open it whenever you want. So now you can just log in or sign up as usual and you will be able to use it. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.